What if I told you there's a blockchain project out there that's poised to outlast hype cycles, turn the internet into a decentralized powerhouse, and take Bitcoin DeFi to the next level? Well, friend, that is not a dream. That's called Internet Computer Protocol, or ICP. And listen, when it comes to Web3, ICP isn't just adapting to the game, it redefines the rules. Stick around, I'm gonna show you guys why ICP ranks number 6 on my list of top coins for 2025. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to BitBoy X. I'm your host, the BitBoy. If you're ready to uncover the future of crypto and dive into one of the most robust blockchain projects out there, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one, because that way you can stay up to date with all the rest of the videos in this series, Top Coins of 2025. So today, we're going to talk ICP and why it's number 6, and then you're going to want to stick around until the very end, because you're going to learn how ICP is shaking off past challenges and building a decentralized future, which sounds pretty good. But let's recap where we are so far on our top 9 coins of 2025. Coming in at number 9, we got Polygon, a coin institutions are going to pump, and guess what? It already started. At number 8, we have Filecoin, powering a hot niche decentralized storage for Web3. And at number 7, of course, we had Tower, BitTensor, bridging blockchain and AI, but more importantly, creating an economy for AI. At number 6, it's all about ICP. A project stands out for its technical innovations and its potential to lead Bitcoin into the next phase of decentralized finance and beyond. Listen, though, we have an elephant in the room that we've got to address. IP's launch in 2021 was supposed to be groundbreaking, but instead it was overshadowed by one of the most notorious events in crypto history that they were all up involved in: manipulation by FTX and SBF. During the peak of the bull run, ICP's price was artificially inflated and then dumped, leaving many investors skeptical. The manipulation created long-term market confusion about ICP's value. Okay, I spent time with ICP and Definity Labs founder Dominic Williams, and he filled me in on the true story. And ever since, I've been trying to tell people what happened. Whether you knew about this ICP launch debacle or this is news to you, here's the thing. Think about this. The technology behind ICP had never faltered, it never failed. Despite the setbacks caused by the FTX hit job, Internet Computer Protocol has remained a leader in blockchain innovation, doing new things. And now it's positioned better than ever to thrive as the crypto space matures. Now, if you've ever used it, you know this. ICP is much different than any other blockchain. It really is a decentralized internet. Now, its mission is to decentralize the internet itself, to allow developers to build dApps and operate at web speed with incredibly low costs. And with ICP, you're not just betting on another DeFi project. You're investing in an ecosystem that's built to handle the demands of Web3. Developers can create applications that are secure, scalable, and decentralized. Everybody says that. But these ones run entirely on blockchain that's designed for global use. It's different. And thanks to its unique consensus model, ICP eliminates many of the inefficiencies that plague other blockchains. Now, add to that its integration with Bitcoin, and you've got a project that's set to redefine the future of decentralized finance. Now, quick reminder, don't forget to tune in to my fight Friday in Dubai vs. Anthem. Shout out to my sponsor, that's right, Daddy Coin. I'm rocking the CobraTate.com t-shirt. Of course, thank you to Andrew Tate for sponsoring this future knockout. Exciting stuff. Now, look, guys, we need to chat for a second about how ICP does connect to another niche with potential, Bitcoin DeFi. ICP's canisters enable high-performance decentralized applications that directly integrate with the Bitcoin blockchain through chain key cryptography. This allows native Bitcoin transactions without intermediaries. We like that in crypto. That's right, it unlocks lending, borrowing, and trading while preserving Bitcoin's security. Now, by extending Bitcoin's functionality without altering its base layer, ICP enables decentralized exchanges, tokenized Bitcoin derivatives, and other DeFi applications. Now, this makes Bitcoin an active participant in Web3 while leveraging ICP's scalability and programmability. Now, ICP canisters bridge Bitcoin's liquidity with next-generation DeFi innovation, reshaping the blockchain landscape and driving both networks forward. But whether Bitcoin DeFi succeeds in the short term, ICP's infrastructure will still be essential for developers and crypto projects looking to create real value in blockchain space. It's a long-term play with incredible upside potential. Now, the thing is, if you want to get in ICP or trade ICP, you got to buy ICP. One of the best places to do that, to buy and trade ICP, well, that's Phemex, our exclusive trading partner of choice. They offer secure trading, low fees, and a simple user face. Use the link in my description to sign up. They got a $30,000 sign-up bonus. And it's for real, down below in the description. So to recap, Bitcoin DeFi is growing fast, but ICP offers a way to participate in this trend without betting on high-risk niches like Bitcoin DeFi. I don't know how Bitcoin DeFi is going to do, guys, to be totally honest with you. I'm a little skeptical, but this is a great way to hedge and take advantage of the market if it does pump, if Bitcoin DeFi does do well, without having to get over-invested into a niche that so far hasn't really taken off. Ordinals did okay for a little bit, but they came back to earth as well. Okay, guys, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about ICP, my top 9 coins, Bitcoin DeFi, whatever you want to ask or comment about. Do it down there in the comments. We love when the Bit Squad gets active. And guys, that's all I got. Be blessed.